Well, hey there guys, what's going on? I got another padlock here for you. This one's going to be another ace, shrouded. I think it's 50 millimeters. It says 304 right there on the trap door. Don't know what's up with that. There's a look at the keyway. I can zoom in here real quick. Whoa. There's a look at the 304 on the trap door. There's a look at the keyway. Slightly paracentric. It's a fairly tight keyway. I had trouble picking this lock because the keyway was pretty small. Zoom back out here. Alrighty. And the lock does work. Go ahead and show you guys if the lock's working. And if you're interested, Lockpicking Lawyer did this same model of lock. He took his apart after he got picked open and put security drivers in it. I believe he put security drivers in it. This one does not have security pins in it. You can pick the lock up off of eBay for about $4.95. I'm not sure how much shipping costs. I'm having trouble getting the key out now. There we go. What the hell? Still a fairly new lock. Make sure it's locked up. And to pick the lock, I had trouble finding an tension tool that would allow me to have room for my pick. So I'm using a SouthOrd double-ended tension tool. This is from their Slimline series. Using the bottom of the keyway tensioning. And I'm using my picks from the Peterson Phoenix Ultimate Pick Set. I'm using a number 2 sometimes, and sometimes I use a number 3 to start off with. The binding order, I'm not sure if I showed you the key bitting. I'll show you the key bitting when I've got the lock open. So anyway, let's go in here to the back of the lock. No security pins. Keyway's really tight. Make sure everything's locked up. Moderate to heavy tension for some reason. There's a 5th pin. Fourth pin. Coming to the front of the keyway now. Oop. First pin. And I'm going to use a Peterson number 2 to finish the lock off with. This number 2 government steel plastic handle. I think this is out of his Euro series. It's in the Phoenix Ultimate. Just going to go in there, get underneath the number 2 pin. If I can. Okay, I think I got the 2nd pin set. And just gotta barely touch that 3rd pin. That might have been the 2nd pin right there. Come on. I speak camera shy sometimes. There it is, right there. That 3rd pin, barely touch it. So there it is, picked open. Get my tension tool out. Yep, ace, 50 millimeter, shrouded. It's a nice lock. It's pretty smooth. It's got a really tight keyway. Like I said, I had trouble finding an tension tool. There it is, locked back up. And like I said, Lockpicking Lawyer did the same model lock on his pet channel, and he took it all apart. So there's that. I'll show you a look at the key bitting here. Actually, I'll zoom in. There's a look at the key bitting right there. 5th pin, 4th pin, then go to the front of the lock. It's first pin, second pin, and then you barely touch that third pin and the lock falls right open. Get this stuff back out of the way. Zoom back out. And there it is, guys. Picked open. Ace 50mm shrouded padlock. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a good one.